Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your person's feelings towards you and your feelings towards your person as well. So we will also see what are the obstacles in between this relationship between both of you and what is the next step you are going to take and your person as well, plus the probable outcome of the situation. All right, so let's see what is going on with my Sagittarius and their person. What is going on with my Sagittarius and their person? This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's get started with my Sagittarius. What is happening with my Sagittarius? If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can DM me in my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. Okay, let's see now Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Okay, so your energy towards your person, Sagittarius, is the Fool card. It's like you are going towards your person with just it's like a leap of faith kind of a situation where you do not know what will happen, because this might be a new relationship, or it's like kind of taking a risk. Okay, so that is what is coming. So you are taking a risk in this new beginning, although you really feel a lot towards this person and you do not see any pros and cons when it comes to this person. It's like, I just want to be with this person at this time. It does not matter who he is, from where he belongs, what is his caste, how much money he makes. That is not important for you. You just want to be with this person. King of Pentacles. See, you are so stubborn right now that no, I just love this person and that is what matters to me. That is what is coming up. Nine of Wands. You have put all your guards down. Whosoever is trying to tell you that you are doing wrong or something like that, you are really not listening to anyone right now. Your energy towards this relationship is the King of Pentacles. So we have both the King of Pentacles in your part already. It is a strong Taurus energy. Might be dealing with this Taurus, but your chart only, there's some Taurus in your chart because of the stubborn energy and of not letting go energy, that you are not letting go of this person and this relationship. You want to start new beginning with this person in terms of relationship as well. You are very strong and you are really thinking. See, Queen of Pentacles. You are really like, no, we are mature, we are loving each other. So what is the problem of getting together, being with this person? Why there is a problem in that situation? That's what you are thinking. Your person's energy towards you is the Seven of Wands. Okay, so you are ready for that relationship. Is your person ready towards you? Is your person is really ready that yes, I really want to get together with my Sagittarius? Because they are trying to ignore something and you might be ignoring the signs. They are trying to be busy. They are telling that they are busy, they do not have time, because they are trying to ignore you. See how they are taking their stand and how they are just in their territory. They do not want you to enter in their territory. That is what is going on. Let's see why the Seven of Wands is here in my Sagittarius person's energy. Three of Pentacles. So this might be a person with whom he or she is already involved, where he or she, this person, is already happy with someone else, and it looks to them that somebody else, you are entering in their territory and they do not want that thing. Okay, interesting. Why the Three of Pentacles is here? I really need some more clarity in the situation for my Sagittarius. Temperance. Okay. they are trying to balance the situation in a way in which you do not also get hurt, and they also just try to sneak out, or they just try to push you away from them. That is what they are already doing here, Sagittarius. Okay, let's see why this person's energy is coming with the King of Wands when it comes towards this relationship. Strong King of Wands energy. Why? Yeah, they are already so strong. Third person energy over here with the Nine of Cups. See, they are really happy when it comes to you. They really want to spend time with you. They really like, okay, they love to be with you. But when it comes to the relationship, it feels like they're happy where they are. It's always like not only a relationship, because you know, this person, whenever you try to tell this person that how you are, you know, because with the King of Wands, they do not like to accept criticisms, and this person has some kind of a thing where this might be some immaturity kind of a situation, that your person might be you might be always trying to tell your person that why you're not being so serious and everything like that. They are really some, you know, happy-go-lucky kind of people, and when you try to tell them that why are you not serious, I'm so serious, and when you try to change them, and when you try to tell them that whatever you are doing, that it's not the correct way, they are really affected by that, and they are like, oh, excuse me, who are you to tell me? You know, they really do not like the criticism when it comes. Okay, King of Cups energy in your obstacles. Why the obstacle is the King of Cups? This might be your dad or somebody from your family or their family as well. So some male figure, it can be a dad figure, especially a brother, elder brother figure. Somebody is in between. Yeah, so yes, you want to get married to this person, but it's looking to me that there's already a marriage involved. Either you are going to get married to someone else, or this person is going to get married to someone else, something in relation with the marriage, and that is why you know, it's like the obstacle coming up, the family, something like that, you know, a new family or family is coming an obstacle for you, and that is why it's really, it's not easy for you to just wait for this person and tell this person that please come in my side and let's just get together. Eight of Cups in their end, the obstacles. Why the Eight of Cups is their obstacle? I think they are not emotionally involved in this relationship. See, Nine of Swords. It looks to me that they are not emotionally involved, and they have already prioritized what they are going to do and where they are going to go, with whom they are going to get married. So when it comes to you, it makes them feel really anxious and really like, why is this happening? They're trying to just ignore you, they're trying to be away, they're trying to just get rid, something like that, and but they are not able to show it to you because they do not want to hurt you, and that is the thing which is coming up. Nine of Wands in your energy when it comes to the communication, the actions you are going to take. Let's see, you are not going to let go. Seriously, Sagittarius, it's the person with the Nine of Wands. You know, this person is literally tired, but they are standing there. So this person is, see how this person is standing over there, like guarding his territory, like, no, I am standing here and I will just I'm not going to let go of you. Okay, do not try to let go, do not try to run away from me. No, you are not. Strong Sagittarius, High Priestess, because when it comes to love, when it comes to you, it's like, no, my emotions means a lot. I am emotional and I really love you, so it means a lot to me. I will fight it, you know. That is the strong energy in you. See, you are cutting other people off, you are trying to just not look, you know, if this might be in regards with some other relationships coming towards you. Your father, your mother, your parents might be telling, you know, bringing some different matches towards you, that okay, just look at this person and go and get married to this new person. But it's for you, it's like, no, I want this person and I'm not letting this person go. the actions from their side, Emperor, they have taken control of the situation. That is what I see. And they have taken the control of themselves very well, that no, I am not going to be with this person, and it's a no, because they are into something else. They are not in this relationship but something else, because they are sneaking out from this relationship. See, they are trying to sneak out from you, from this relationship. They are playing hide and seek, and they just want to seek. Okay, you have to seek, and they are just hiding, and they are just wanting, they are trying to run away from the situation. So overall probable outcome of the situation is the Chariot. So why the Chariot is here? Page of Swords. See how it looks to me like this is just more of a stalking card, that you or your person is just stalking each other, but there is nothing coming up for the situation. With the Page of Pentacles, it's very slow progress. Communications are high, sorry, emotions are running high. You are being very emotional for this person. You are trying to wait, you are just waiting for this person to communicate with you, but the outcome is, it's like nothing is going to happen the way you want it to happen. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.